It's 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Our buddy Paul Harding from Martin Harding Mazzotti on the horn.
Morning, Paul.
Hey, good morning, guys.
That commercial you're doing where you're all down to business, your elbows on the table, you're telling the truth. You're telling the truth.
Is that the one that gets rear-ended?
Is that the rear-ended one? There's a couple of them. Yeah, but it happens. Like, you're just being honest to the people, and I love it.
Yeah. We've right. You kind of just caught me talking without doing any of my bad acting. Yeah, I think you're right.
What about the one where you got rear-ended? What were you driving again, Paul?
Well, that was my Dodge Daytona, my '83 Dodge Daytona. That was
That's great.
That's a nice rig, huh? It's still in the garage.
I wish I kept it. Yeah.
Paul's here to help clear up a few things, and it's if you have is it a pistol permit because of the SAFE Act? Your license may expire. You may be illegal and not know it. Isn't that what it boils down to, Paul?
Yeah, and in fact, there's about 30,000 people just in Albany County, the only one that I looked at, and only about 12% have registered, and they have to do so by January 31st. So here's the deal. If you've got your pistol permit before January 15th of 2013, you have until the 31st of this month to recertify. You've got to go online, and it just takes a few minutes to do. But then if you've had it, gotten it since then, it's 5 years from the date that you got your permit.
Okay. So if you got it February 1st, that date's looming anyway. But if you got it prior to January 15th, 2013, the deadline is the end of the month.
Is this semantics, or is it just like an every 5 year kind of thing, or is there? Do you smell something behind the scenes?
No, it's going to be every 5 years. It's the real deal. If you don't do it, your permit, which is difficult to get, is revoked, and there's going to be an automatic revocation. Then, if they sort of find that you've got the gun and you just didn't hear about this and didn't know about this, they're going to give you some time. They're not saying that, but I'm reading between the lines. They're going to give you 30 days, 45 days to register. But if you decided not to register because you feel like, hey, I got my permit, I didn't have to register, I don't like this new law, you do subject yourself to at least a misdemeanor and potentially a felony for possessing.
And that's what Sheriff Apple said. He said, don't use not recertifying your pistol as a way to protest the SAFE Act. He said, make sure you recertify and then keep fighting the SAFE Act because you're only gonna get yourself in trouble. How would they find out? They're not gonna comb through who didn't recertify and then go knock on your door, would they?
I don't think it's a knock on your door, but I think it's going to be they're going to comb through who didn't certify, and eventually, not right away, because they're overwhelmed. And Sheriff Apple even said, "Wow, who's going to do this? Is this us? Does the sheriff department have to do this?" And if so, we really don't have the resources. But eventually, you're going to get something in the mail, is what I suspect. And then, of course, if you're ever stopped and you've got your permit, you've got your pistol, and you show the police officer you have your pistol, he's going to ask for your permit. And if the permit is not recertified, that's when the trouble would really start at that moment.
There shouldn't be any problem. Go recertify your deal.
Paul said a couple minutes online, you're recertified, and then you can still fight the SAFE Act the other way.
Yep, there you go. All right.
Exactly so.
Good stuff. You going to recertify today, Paul?
All recertified.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. All right.
All done.
I don't know if he wants to talk about that.
All right, Paul Harding from Martin Harding Mazzotti. It's 1-800-LAW-1010, and it's 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Good heads up and a good reminder, Paul. Thank you.
Thanks, Paul.
All right, guys. Thank you.